I'm Ash Watson. I'm a research fellow based at UNSW Sydney, and I'm part of the ADM+S pupil program and the health focus area. I'm a sociologist, and my work looks at people's relationships with technologies, both established tech and emerging digital devices. My work with ADM+S has looked at the social and cultural dynamics of emerging technologies, mostly focused within context of health and wellbeing. And this has included mapping applications and imaginaries of these technologies in Australia, as well as research on how health consumers find, trust, and make sense of health information in digital and in non-digital forms. I bring those bigger questions about what matters to people, why and how, to just understand the implications of the impacts that they're having for people in their lives. Automation and AI, when we approach them in this way, we really get the sense that these aren't abstract things that happen in a vacuum. They happen in the world, they have really tangible impacts. Really central to my more broader scholarly practice is creating platforms for better and increased public engagement around social and technological change. In my research with ADM+S, I've worked with a number of community partners, and really centering that relationship has been so critical to the whole process of getting the project off the ground, recruiting people who are really passionate about being involved in research, and then making sure we can both analyse and then translate those findings in ways that will feed back into those organisations and communities has been just such a great part of the research that I've been able to do with the centre. All of the best work that I've done and am most proud of has been team-based and connected with real communities out in the real world.